Here are the 7 best AI home security cameras of 2026, picked for everyday homeowners and renters who want real protection without the alert spam. From a simple indoor pet cam to the most advanced triple lens outdoor system, every camera here actually delivers on the AI promise. Links are in the description. Stick around. The #1 pick does what no other can. Starting at number 7, the Tapo C220, the best ultra-budget AI indoor camera for renters and pet owners. Your dog destroys the couch when you're at work. You need eyes inside without spending a fortune. The C220 delivers. First, 2K Quad HD with motion tracking. The camera follows movement around the room automatically. Next, free person and baby cry detection. Alerts only when it matters, not every shadow. Finally, subscription-free SD card storage. Recordings save locally, no monthly fee. Cons: indoor only, no outdoor weatherproofing. The plastic build feels light. Wi-Fi only with no Ethernet option. Best for pet parents, new parents, first-time camera buyers. Not for outdoor use or whole home setups. At $29.99, the C220 is the smallest entry into AI security. Just want eyes inside? This one's it. At number 6, the Tapo C520WS, the best budget outdoor AI pan-tilt camera for homeowners watching a wider yard. Fixed-view budget cams miss half the action. Someone steps 3 feet sideways and they're gone. The C520WS solves that. First, 2K Quad HD with 360-degree pan and tilt. Covers the entire yard from one mounting point. Next, free AI person and vehicle detection. Built into the camera, no monthly fee. Finally, IP66 weatherproof with color night vision. Handles rain, snow, and overnight stakeouts. Cons: wired power required, no battery option. The motor whirs softly when tracking. Wi-Fi at the install point is mandatory. Best for yard watchers, driveway monitors, anyone needing wide coverage cheaply. Not for battery-only setups or remote locations. At $49.96, the C520WS gives you outdoor AI without monthly fees. Need full yard coverage? This is the pick. At number 5, the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus Battery, the best battery-powered portable AI cam for renters. Most outdoor AI cams demand a hardwire kit. The Outdoor Cam Plus skips that entirely. First, 2K high dynamic range with color night vision, sharp enough to read faces and plates after dark. Next, customizable AI motion zones in the Ring app. Draw a box around your driveway, ignore the sidewalk. Finally, rechargeable battery rated for outdoor weather. Clip it to a railing, a fence, a balcony post. Move it next month. Cons: a Ring Protect subscription unlocks full AI. The plastic build feels less rugged than wired competitors. No solar charging out of the box. Best for renters, apartment dwellers, anyone who moves the camera. Not for homeowners with a wired Ring setup already. At $59.99, the Outdoor Cam Plus is the easiest entry into Ring AI. Need a no-drill outdoor cam? Pick this one. At number 4, the Tapo MagCam C460 kit, the best 4K AI home security camera with 0 subscription required. Most consumer AI cams lock the real smarts behind a monthly fee. The C460 ends that. First, 4K resolution with free on-device person and vehicle detection. No cloud trip needed. The camera does the thinking locally. Next, magnetic mount plus included solar charging panel. Snap it to any metal surface, sun keeps it topped up. Finally, subscription-free local SD storage. Footage stays on your micro SD card. Privacy by default. Cons: micro SD card not included, sold separately. The magnetic mount needs metal or the included plate. The Tapo app feels less polished than premium brands. Best for privacy-conscious homeowners, subscription haters, smart shoppers wanting 4K. Not for those wanting a polished app or Ring Arlo integration. At $99.98, the C460 delivers real 4K AI without monthly fees. Done paying for what you already bought? Start here. At number 3, the Arlo Pro 6, the best premium AI outdoor camera for homeowners who want intelligence, not just video. You scroll 40 motion notifications from yesterday. Most were nothing. The Pro 6 fixes that with AI that summarizes events. First, AI event captions generate a written description of every clip. Delivery van arriving, person walking dog, glance and no. Next, 2K HDR with 12 times digital zoom and a 160-degree field of view. Wider coverage than any standard outdoor cam, with zoom-in detail later. Finally, color night vision plus integrated spotlight. The cam triggers the light automatically when motion is detected. Faces stay visible. Cons: an Arlo Secure subscription is required for event captions. Single cam configuration only. Battery recharging every few weeks under heavy use. Best for homeowners ready to pay for alerts that save time. Not for budget shoppers or subscription holdouts. At $124, the Pro 6 buys you AI that summarizes your day. Want alerts that mean something? This is the upgrade. Quick reminder, if this is helping you decide, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Now the top 2 picks. At number 2, the eufy SoloCam S340, the best subscription-free AI camera for homeowners. Done paying monthly fees forever. Subscription fees pile up year after year. Cancel and your footage vanishes. The SoloCam S340 breaks that cycle. First, 3K dual lens with 360 degrees pan and tilt. One camera covers what 2 normally would. Track from driveway around the side without switching feeds. Next, on-device AI detection running locally. Person, vehicle, and motion analysis happen inside the camera. No cloud trip, no monthly bill. Finally, integrated solar panel with built-in 8GB storage. Set it on a sunny wall and forget about it. Cons: 8GB fills fast under heavy use. Add a micro SD card. Eufy app cannot edit clips like Arlo. Slower firmware updates than big name brands. Best for long game homeowners, fee haters, off-grid setups. Not for managed cloud users. At $159.99, the SoloCam S340 stops monthly fees the day you bring it home. Done with recurring bills? This is your camera. Now, the number 1 pick. This camera has 3 separate lenses working together and an AI that tracks across all 3. The number 1 best AI home security camera is the eufyCam S4, the most advanced AI camera today. Built for homeowners who refuse blind spots. Standard cameras see one angle. A person walks behind a car, disappears, reappears, unidentified. The S4 makes that structurally impossible. First, triple lens bullet plus pan, tilt, and zoom design. One wide bullet camera plus a separate motorized pan-tilt zoom in the same housing. Wide and zoom at once. Next, AI subject tracking with 8 times optical zoom. The pan, tilt, and zoom lens locks onto a person and follows automatically. The bullet keeps the wide view rolling. Finally, solar power plus built-in 32GB local storage and 0 monthly fees. Fully off-grid AI security. Cons: eufy's flagship pick, not the simplest option. Bulkier housing requires planning. App setup has a learning curve. Best for serious homeowners, large property owners, anyone refusing coverage gaps. Not for first-time camera buyers. At $349.99, The eufyCam S4 is the only camera here you install once and forget. Want the best? This is it. And that's the 7 best AI home security cameras of 2026. From the simplest indoor pet cam to the most advanced multi-lens system you can buy. Drop a comment below. Which one are you going with? All links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.